It is not easy. I thought that YouTube had to be perfect. It cares more about you being consistent. This is where most agents fail. Being a realtor is hard, and that's mainly because there's no clear path to success, guys. There are so many ways to get business, and the most traditional ones are cold calling, door knocking, sphere of influence. But here's the thing, no one really wants to do any of those things. And I'm here to tell you guys, I've tried them all when starting out, but there was one that always stood out to me. And honestly, it seemed too good to be true. And I'm talking about YouTube, guys. So during the pandemic, I found these guys in Dallas that were crushing it on YouTube. They even created a course to teach people how to do it. And man, did they make it look easy. But turns out, guys, it is not easy. But I think I figured something out, guys. And today I'm gonna show you the exact 3 things I did to close my first deal from YouTube. Guys, my name is Will. I'm a Southern California realtor, and I've sold millions and millions of real estate. I've also helped hundreds of agents with their business, right? Using systems and technology. And if you're interested in working with me, guys, absolutely free. All you gotta do is click the link below or scan that QR code right there to connect with me. All right, now when I first started, I had this massive misconception. I thought that YouTube had to be perfect, right? Like super professional, everything had to be polished and pristine. And I thought the second I posted a video that people would reach out immediately, you know, just like Instagram. Well, unfortunately, guys, that's not how YouTube works. So YouTube videos last for months and even years. But here's what I didn't understand back then. The algorithm doesn't really care if you're perfect, right? It cares more about you being consistent. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it took me a while to figure that out. So I actually had 3 different iterations of my YouTube channel before I got serious about consistency. But once I did, literally everything changed, guys. I went from 0 leads, you know, in a week to 2 to 3 high quality leads every week from YouTube. And again, this is still just the beginning. So let's get into the 3 things I did to close my first deal on YouTube. First thing, guys, is consistency. So this is where most agents fail. Like they post a video, get discouraged, then disappear for 3 to 4 months. Please, guys, don't be that person, right? Here's what I realized. The algorithm needs data. So the more content you put out there, the more information you're giving YouTube to figure out who your ideal client is. And when you're consistent, something magical happens, right? People start binging your content. They watch video after video after video. And here's the kicker. The older videos start getting views too, right? I'm talking about videos I made months ago that are now getting more views than when I first posted them. And that's because people are discovering me through the newer stuff and then going back through the library. So think about it this way. You're not just making one video, you're building a library, you know, so a library of answers to questions that your clients need answers to. And instead of explaining something to one client, you're explaining it to hundreds, maybe even thousands if you're lucky, of people, and it's gonna land with somebody, right? It's just the law of averages. Now, you know, I know what you're probably thinking. Will, I don't know what to say, or this won't work for me. Again, I hear it all the time from other agents, and I'm here to tell you guys, it's a lie. Like, it works if you show up. I mean, I love it because you get to be yourself, you get to have conversations at scale, and the more you do it, literally the better you get. So the second thing I did, guys, was I created 2 strong calls to action paired with a landing page. And I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like, okay? So here's an example of my first call to action. If it's your first time visiting the channel, welcome. Guys, my name is Will. This is my wife, Nikki, and this is Keys to the IE, guys. We tour all the homes in the Inland Empire, so you don't have to. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because if you don't, guess what?
gonna miss out on your dream home.
You're gonna miss out on your dream home, and we don't want that for you guys. But because we tour all these homes, guess what? We get calls, texts, and emails from viewers just like you looking to make the smooth move to the IE. And as realtors, we absolutely love it. So if you're thinking about making a move, go ahead and send us a call, shoot us a text, drop us an email, and we will gladly receive that and help you find your dream home. Let's go check out some homes. All right, guys, now here's the second with my landing page. So it's clean, simple. When someone watches my videos and they're interested, they know exactly what to do. So they don't have to guess, they don't have to search my website. The call to action is super clear, right? So they get the information they want, they can schedule a call or, request a consultation, whatever they're looking to do at the time, they can do it, right? There's no friction, right? So here's the psychology behind this. When someone's watching your video, they're in a state of momentum, right? So they're interested, they're engaged, and if you don't give them a clear path forward, you'll lose them. So they could get distracted, they'll move on, they forget about you. But with a strong CTA, guys, you're capturing that interest in real time. So I'll be honest with you, my first few videos, I didn't know this, I didn't have this, it just wasn't figured out. Like I was just hoping that people would reach out. And here's the deal, they didn't, right? But once I created this landing page and started directing people to it in every video, then I started to get the leads and the calls, okay? And it's become consistent now. But here's where it gets really good because capturing the lead is only half the battle. The third thing I did was, and this is honestly the game changer because it's AI, right? So I set up an AI receptionist to capture calls in real time, right? So here's the situation. Someone's watching your video, they're excited, they're ready to talk to somebody right now. They click your landing page, they see your number, and they call. What happens next is crucial.
Busy at the moment, but this is his really cool AI assistant, Cameron. How can we help you today?
Yes, I'm looking to buy a house in the Inland Empire.
Got it. What's your name?
My name's Will.
Thanks, Will. What's the best email address to reach you at?
wphiggins1981@gmail.com.
Got it. Just to make sure I've got it right, your email is wphiggins1981@gmail.com, correct?
That's correct.
Perfect. And what can we help with as you're looking to buy in the Inland Empire? Are you hoping to set up a time to talk with the team?
Yeah. I just wanted to reach somebody. I saw a video. I'm watching you guys on YouTube. I saw a video that I really liked, and I wanted to get more information on it so I can hopefully buy it.
Sure. Let me pull up some appointment options. The next available times are today, May 21st at 2:30 p.m., 3:30 p.m. or 4:30 p.m. tomorrow, May 22nd at 12 p.m., 3:30 p.m. or 4 p.m. Saturday, May 23rd at 10 a.m., 11:30 a.m. or 12 p.m. Which one works best for you?
Can I take the 2:30 p.m. today?
Sounds good. You're all set for today, May 21st at 2:30 p.m. Our team will be ready to go over that video and help you with next steps. Thanks, Will, and have a great rest of your day.
Thank you. It just sent me an appointment confirmation. The appointment is confirmed for 2:30. Amazing. So when they call, instead of going to voicemail, they get my AI receptionist, right? It answers instantly. It sounds natural. It captures their information, their name, what they're looking for, and then best time to reach out to them. And here's the key. It satisfies their need to make a connection immediately. So they feel heard, they even feel taken care of, right? And even though I'm not personally answering the phone, they don't feel like they're talking to a robot, right? Then what I do is I'll call them back at my earliest convenience, but I'm not losing them to voicemail, right? I'm not missing the opportunity because I was busy. So speed to lead is everything in this business. And you guys know that if you do anything online. So when someone's interested right now, you need to capture that interest immediately, right? And here's the cool thing. This is all powered by Go High Level, the same platform that handles my landing page, my email follow-up, my entire sales funnel, right? So everything is connected, everything is automated, and it all works together to turn the people that are watching the channel to leads and eventually into closed deals. Now, there are a lot of realtors trying YouTube and failing, and you probably know why. So it's inconsistency, copying what somebody else is doing instead of being authentic and waiting for everything to be perfect before they start. Don't do that, guys. Like, start now, get the reps in, get comfortable, and you'll start to get better every single video, right? So here's what I want you guys to take away from this. YouTube does work. And what I'll be doing is I'll be documenting my experience with it on this channel. So if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It just requires, guys, consistency, a clear call to action, and the right systems to capture those leads, right? So those are the three things that I did to get my first deal from YouTube. And again, they're still working. So if you liked what you saw with that landing page, if you want to set up the AI receptionist, like I did, if you want to automate your entire real estate business, all you got to do, guys, is just go ahead and click the link below. There's a 30-day, risk-free trial of that software. Also, I have a ton of other like add-ons that you get just for joining the software with me. But I hope you guys got value from this video. If you're out there doing YouTube, hopefully this helps you convert, right? And I mean, my only wish for you guys is that you get more leads, close more deals, so you can, support your family. So hopefully this video helped you out. If not, guess what? That one right there, go ahead and check out that video, because if this one didn't help, I know that one will. But appreciate you guys checking out the channel, and we will see you on the next video.